Hi, I'm Reggie. If you ask yourself, am I doing right things online?
Or how can be a smarter in my digital life? This video is for you. Today, talking about something relevant online platforms like TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube. This is how to become a better cyber citizen. In the world today, we're constantly connected in social media. Communicate friends and family. Read the latest news, follow trends, or share memes, and so much more. But how do we make sure we're maintaining a good presence online? How do we know what to post or what to avoid? First thing first, what is a cyber citizen? Cyber citizen is a person who regularly uses in the internet and embrace all the information technology to offer. In today's interconnected world, digital citizens are equipped with knowledge and skills to navigate vast amount of information available online, to evaluate its credibility and think critically about the content they encounter. That include everything from social media they encounter. From social media platforms like emails, online forums, video calls, and more. Now, cyber citizen is about how do we use a technology. 24% of Filipino teenagers have experienced severe online harassment, which is the real world today. That's why it is important to be aware of what we are doing on social media. When we use internet, that our actions have an impact to other people and the place we pass through, even it is virtual. So let us dive into 8 tips on how becoming a better cyber citizen. Tip number 1, think before you post. Every post, comment, or share that contributes to your digital presence, which can include something bitter left unsaid, or must be careful of what you have done on social media. Tip number 2, protect your privacy. So, don't share personal information like your address, phone number, or password. Then limit who can tag you, view your photos, or find your profile through search engine. So be in control of what others sees. Tip number 3, be kind online. So as a students, they treat people with respect, just like you or me would in real life. Tip number 4, use strong password. A strong password is your first line of defense. Stop using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or even your birthday. Use unique password and never share them. Tip number 5, check your sources. Sometimes we have a lot of reports on social media, but some of them are fake. Not everything online is true. Just verify information before believing or sharing it. Tip number 6, report bad behavior. If someone is being mean or inappropriate online, report it. Just like someone spread lies online, false information, fake job agencies, or even fake news. Tip number 7. Respect copyright. Give credit when using images, videos, or ideas that aren't yours. And lastly, the 8 tips on becoming a better cyber citizen. Think critically. Ask yourself, it is safe and respectful to share online before clicking or posting, even sharing. So, share it to others so that they can educate our followers. So, thank you and God bless us all.